Hey everybody, hope everyone's having a great day. Just wanted to make a quick little video in regards to our Find Writers page. So our Find Writers page is a really effective tool that is kind of underutilized on our platform, and it's a great way to find writers that you can connect with for future projects. So to access our Find Writers page, all you're going to want to do is just press the Find Writers button next to your message icon in your account once you're logged in. So once you're at that Find Writers page, you'll kind of see a list of our most prolific writers and then our highest rated writers. However, if you do scroll down, you'll kind of notice a filter search section in which you can search for writers by category, rank, and language. This is going to be a really effective way to find writers that are kind of in your niche or given category. Content writing can be very hard because there's so many different niches and categories that need to be written about. So it's really important that you're getting in contact with the right writer to do your blog, your script, or whatever it may be. So to filter search by writers, all you're going to do is basically select the category that you're kind of wanting to request an article in. So we offer all these different categories, as you can see. So for example, let's say you want an article within health and fitness, English US, within our Elite Plus tier. So what this is going to do is this is going to pull all of our active writers within health and fitness in our Elite Plus category, and then also focus on English US that can write in English US. Really, what I like to look at when it populates is I like to look at the writer's experience, their last login time, and then sometimes they'll provide a bio about what they like to write about and sometimes their background. So this will give me a good idea if this writer may or may not be a right fit for my project. So you can kind of scroll down this list and see all of the writers that kind of show up under this category. So as you can see, we have 4 pages of writers within health and fitness Elite Plus. So let's find a writer that I haven't added yet. So as you can see, I've added most of these writers because the heart button is highlighted. So for example here, this writer, JS writer, hasn't been added to my favorites. But let's say I wanted to hire this writer here. All I'll do is just press this heart button, and that'll add that writer onto my favorites list. So let's find another one. Here's another one. So let's add this writer. So once you go in and kind of find some writers that you think would be a good fit for your project, you'll be able to view all of your active writers or all of your favorite writers on your main dashboard here. So on your main dashboard, you'll be able to view all of your active writers, and you'll actually be able to see who's online. So this is kind of a great way to track your army of writers per se that you can potentially use on any of your projects. So to send a special request to a writer, all you're going to do is just go to the order form. Like a normal article request, you'll fill out the order form with all the details, keywords, creative briefs, and project instructions. However, the only difference is when it asks submit project to specific writers, most cases clients will just press no, submitting the project to that tier's general queue. However, for this case, you're able to send the project just to specific writers that you found on that Find Writers page. So you're able to select the writers that you would like to see the project instructions. And how this is going to work is this is going to work on a first come basis. So only one writer is actually going to be able to pick up the project. However, all of these writers that you select will actually get the project instructions and be able to accept or reject the project. However, it does work on a first come basis. So the more writers you send it to, more times than not, the quicker it will get picked up by a writer. And then there'll be a reserve timer at the bottom. And all this means is this is how long the project's going to be open until a writer has to pick it up. So let's say after 7 days, a writer doesn't pick up the project, then the project will be moved into your action required tab, in which you just have to extend the reserve timer or add new writers. If you guys have any other questions in regards to this Find Writers tool, you're always able to reach out or book a call with me, and I'm always happy to help. Thanks and have a wonderful day.